Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, let's talk about the way that you fix the PayPal security check problem. So if you have this notification which says we're having trouble making sure it's you, then in order to solve this issue, the first thing that you can try out is try to clear the app cache. So if you are using the application of PayPal, what you can do is tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, tap on storage and make sure you tap on the clear cache option. If you're using a browser, then you need to clear out the browser cache as well. Also, you need to make sure that you are not connected to any VPNs, because connecting to VPNs and logging into your PayPal does not really work. So make sure you disable and try to see if you can now log in. If you're still stuck in this loop, then what you can do is try to log in after 72 hours. These issues normally solve out automatically if you wait out some time, so at least 72 hours. Also, while you try to log in after 72 hours, make sure you use a recognized device or a recognized network. Lastly, what you'll also make sure is you'll need to verify your identity, such as your email verification or your bank verification. Once you've done all of these steps, you should be able to fix the PayPal security check problem. I do hope this guide video was helpful in solving this issue. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.